So, dear learners, in this video, we'll be start discussing about the requirement based testing with a continuation of our previous video where we started with release testing. So, as a part of release testing, we are going to perform our testing based on the requirements, because as we already told that the basic purpose of the release testing is to make confirmation that your system, the software system that you might have developed, it is going to meet all the requirement specifications or not, okay, to satisfy the set of end users. Okay. So, basically requirement based testing involves what? Examining each requirement and also to develop what? A different sort of test cases to check that whether that particular requirement has been implemented properly or not, or whether that particular service is going to be provided or not by your system, that we are going to check it out. Okay. That is called as what? The requirement based testing. To better understand this, just we will take an example of two requirements that we have defined for a MHC PMS system is concerned, that is a mental health clinic patient management software. So, it is a kind of software based hospital system, okay, which is useful for the mental health patients, okay, to get online appointments, medications, and keeping track of their medication, all these things, okay, that we have already studied as a part of one of our case study. Okay. Hope all of you might have gone through those videos also, and you are familiar with this MSc PMS is concerned. So, just have a look at these requirements here, and after reading out these particular requirements, so we will try to come up with a different sort of the test cases with which we can test this particular requirement, whether this requirement has been implemented properly or not with respect to this MSc PMS software is concerned. Okay. So, here the requirement is going to state that if a patient is known to be allergic to any particular medication, then prescription of that medication shall result in a warning message being issued to the system user. So, the requirement says that, okay, whenever you are using this particular software, okay, for any patient medication is concerned, if the patient is already suffering from with a known allergic, means if the patient, some of the medications are allergic for the particular patient, and if that allergic information is already what stored or recorded in that particular system, okay, when giving the medication for such patients, okay, if any mistake happens, means when prescribing the medication by the doctor, by unknowingly if he is going to give that same medicine, okay, at that time, here the expectation from the system is what? It has to show what? One warning message, okay, that will be being issued to the system user in the sense here he may be a doctor or nurse, whoever it may be, who is going to give that medication to that patient. Okay. So, here now with respect to this requirement is concerned, we need to check, okay, how my system is going to behave, okay, when I am giving a sort of medicines for that particular patient. And another requirement, if you go through that, if the prescriber chooses to ignore any allergy warning, for example, say it will show one warning, but if that medication prescriber is going to what? Ignore that particular allergy warning, then the system is supposed to ask the reason why he is going to ignore that what you call that warning message. Okay. So, this is another requirement that we are expecting from the system. Hope all of you have gone through this and understood this requirement here. Now, we will see the different tests, variety of tests that we can design for this particular requirement is concerned. So, just have a look at here. My first test case is, so here I am going to set up a patient record with no known allergies. So, now we will take an example of one patient record, okay, for whom there is no any kind of allergy has been recorded. Okay. So, I will take that patient record. Now, see there how I am going to check the response of my system. So, prescribe the medication for allergies that are known to exist. Check that the warning message is not issued by the system. So, why? See, this is the a kind of check. So why here we are expecting that the system should not give any warning message? Why? Because the patient record is not with any allergy. So that is why even if I give a medication which is supposed to be allergic, okay, the system is not showing what the warning message here. Okay, if that is happening, then this requirement has been what implemented properly. Okay, that's the indication. Similarly, and we will not stop there. We will go with the another possibility of the test here. Now see there, set up a patient record with a known allergy. Now I am going to take one patient record, okay, for whom the allergy has been recorded for some medication. Okay, now I will take such kind of patient record, and now I will prescribe the medication to that patient which is what allergic to. Then what is the expectation here? We will check for what? Okay, the system should give what? Issue a warning message. Okay, this is what expected. So if it does, then we once again we will confirm that the requirement has been implemented properly. Like that, you go with the another possibility. Okay, set up a patient record in which allergies to 2 or more drugs are recorded. Okay, you take one patient record, okay, for whom the allergies have been recorded for more than 2 or 3 different types of drugs. Okay, now I will take such kind of record and I will prescribe both of these drugs separately. Okay, one after the other, and I will make sure that for both the drugs a proper warning message should be get displayed. Okay, then I will repeat once again the test on the same. Prescribe 2 drugs that the patient is allergic to. At a time I will prescribe both the drugs who are allergic also, then automatically I should get 2 warnings at a time. See there. Okay. Then another one for the second requirement that we have defined there, prescribe a drug that issues a warning and overrule the warning. It means that I will take one patient who is suffering from the what you call that allergic, then I will also prescribe the medicine with allergic, and automatically the system will going to show what? System will show an warning message. Now I will overrule that warning message. When I will overrule that warning message, what was my expectation from that requirement definition? The system has to show that, okay, or it will ask, okay, an explanation saying that why the warning has been overruled. So that box I should get it, and that doctor or nurse has to enter the reason for that, then only the system is supposed to accept that. Okay. So this is how a variety of different test cases with which we are going to test that particular requirement. Okay. After doing all these combinations of test cases, it is confirmed that the above defined requirement has been implemented successfully. Okay. So this is how the requirement based testing will be done. Okay. Thank you.